Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to use Safelists for affiliate marketing, leads and sales. And email marketing is one of the best ways for you to build your own email list or reach a large audience of people with Safelists. So I'm going to show you today all the ones I'm a member of, and I've preloaded these, so it's only going to take a couple of minutes. Hercules has got 240,000 members, and you'll see there 240,708 members. So they'll be linked in the description. You can start with Hercules. I started emailing 1,000 every day, and the strategy that I use is to reinvest your commissions, reinvest your profits, so you can start to reach a larger audience and also earn more commission by promoting traffic sites, because everybody needs more traffic. This is my lead gen secret, and you can get 100 to 200 leads per day. You'll see here I've got 94,400 leads, and you can get between 3 and 6,000 leads per month. So you see I've been in here for a while. I'm going to preload that one up there and just go down here. Most of these auto populate. I'm just going to go on perfect timing. I'm just going to send that today just for the purpose of this video. And with my lead gen secret, you can email out every 23 hours, 24 hours. You can the leads are yours in there. You can download them and email more than once a day if you wish to do so. This one now is European Safelist, and European Safelist I'm going to put in here 5,000 today. So let's just send that message there. That's going to go out to 5,000. I recommend you use Safelist to build your own list. If you're not building your own list, you can still earn commissions. And I recommend you promote these traffic sites yourself, because everyone needs more traffic. And when members upgrade, even if you're a free member with the Safelist, you're going to earn some monthly recurring commissions. This one here is going out to 10,000 members. So we'll click send there. And that one's gone. And the next one is Proactive Mailer. If you watch the video to the end, I'm going to give you a giveaway with Proactive Mailer, some free credits to send out to this Safelist mailer. I like Proactive Mailer because what he does is every 30 days, if the members aren't active, he removes them from the database. So your offer's going out just to active members. This one's going out to 2,732. This includes all of these include tier 1 traffic and buyers. So we're going to send that one there. You have to verify your site on this one. It passes a check. So that's to the click engine offer, confirm the site. And the next one is one of Darren Orlando's sites. This is called List Jumper. So I'll put, this one's going out to 2,000, says there, 2,252 active subscribed members. So I'm going to send that mail there. That's gone out there. And the next one I like Mr. Safelist because Jerry Iannacci has been a very successful email marketer for several years now, and I really like it. He's got a very active Safelist. Let's just go there. I need to come down here. This is going out to 1,654 members. So what I did, I started these for free, and I started surfing, and I started getting credits. I started promoting my offers, and then once I earned some commissions, I upgraded. This is a one-off payment, this upgrade, 23,000. I can email to this one every 3 days. So it's got 5 different groups. I'm going to go with the same groups. It's called Pangea. I'll put all the links in the description there. Send an email out. That's going up to 23,000 members in the queue to be mailed. And I just want to show you over here. I've done some proof videos that these Safelists work. You can get leads and commissions from these. So I've done a video here that shows you proof. I've done several videos that show you proof of sales from Safelists. It's why I use them every single day. And with Proactive Mailer, what I'm going to do today, for the first 5 people, when this loads up here, for the first 5 people that comment pro in the comments below, I'm going to transfer them 40,000 credits into their Proactive Mailer account. And then you get 12,000 credits when you join. So what you'll be able to do, you'll be able to use the mailer for 2 weeks in a row and send your offer out and get an idea of how it works and see if you think it's something of value to you. So first 5 comments, I will get notification in my Proactive Mailer back office of those that have joined, and I'll transfer those credits across for you. So if you enjoyed the video today, please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And please click subscribe and the bell icon for notification of my new videos. I've done several new videos now. I do new videos every week, new content every week, and there's now over 550 videos on the channel that you'll see here. So there'll be a link in the description for all of these offers that I've shown you today. You can start for free for the majority of them, and then I do recommend the upgrade strategy, where if you do get some sales, reinvest, and then you can earn more commissions if you get any referrals, and then you can also start to reach a larger audience. So I've gone from emailing 1,000 a day to today you saw emailing 375,000 prospects just in one day today. So it takes time to build it up, but you can do that if you're consistent and you put the time and the effort in. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.